Have you ever wondered about the future of finance? Perhaps you've heard of cryptocurrency. Welcome to the digital age of money, where the intangible becomes tangible and the world's economy is at your fingertips. Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency, has been steadily reshaping the financial landscape. It's a brave new world of finance, where cryptography secures transactions and controls the creation of new units. Decentralization, transparency, and the potential for high returns are just a few of the benefits that have propelled cryptocurrencies into the spotlight. Imagine a world where transactions are secure and transparent, free from the control of any central authority. A world where you can invest and see potentially high returns. This is the promise of cryptocurrency, a new financial era that's revolutionizing the way we think about money. Among these cryptocurrencies, there's a rising star that we should all keep an eye on, Avalanche or AVAX. So, what makes Avalanche stand out in the crowded world of cryptocurrency? Well, for starters, Avalanche brings a unique consensus protocol to the table. It's like a democratic voting system where every transaction gets a say. This approach not only ensures security, but also allows for high scalability, meaning the network can handle a large number of transactions at lightning speed. Another key feature is interoperability, the capacity to communicate and share resources with other blockchains. This makes Avalanche a hub where different financial worlds can interconnect and interact seamlessly. What's more, Avalanche offers quick transaction times and low fees. This makes it a practical choice for everyday transactions, from buying coffee to transferring large sums of money. It's like having a super fast, cost-effective financial highway at your fingertips. So, it's no wonder that Avalanche is not just capturing investors' attention, but also winning the hearts of developers. With these features, it's clear why Avalanche is gaining popularity among both investors and developers. Are you ready to be part of the future of finance? Imagine being at the forefront of a revolution, one that's transforming the landscape of finance as we know it. That's Avalanche for you. A rising star in the cryptocurrency world, it's making waves and catching the eyes of many. Avalanche is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a powerful, disruptive force. It's a platform that offers unprecedented processing power and speed. This potential has led to high expectations for returns, exciting investors worldwide. So how can you start your journey with Avalanche? It's simple. Get informed, understand the technology, learn about its strengths, its potential, and the challenges it might face. Then, consider investing. Remember, as with any investment, there are risks involved, but with risk comes reward. And the rewards here could be substantial. Don't miss out on the Avalanche revolution. Be part of the future of finance today.